Hello students, how are you? I am fine, thank you. In previous class, we have learned about exponential equation. Today we will see about rational exponents. ስለ rational exponents እናያለን ማለት ነው. And how to simplify these types of rational exponents. Now, to the power of 1 over 3 times 4 the power of 4 over 3. There is no the same power here. Also there is no the same base. So we should be change the same base in both sides. So 4 which means 2 the power of 2. 2 the power of 2. So 2 the power of 1 over 3 times 2 the power of 2 to the power of 4 over 3. 4 over 3. Now here 2. Also here 2. Now a the power of n times a the power of n which is equals to m a the power of n plus m. Just like here base 2. So base 2 the power of 1 over 3 plus 2 times 4. 2 times 4. 8 over 3. 8 over 3. Which is equals to 2 the power of here 1 plus 8 9 over 3 3. 2 the power of 3 8. The values of 2 the power of which is equals to 8. ስምንት ነው ማለት ነው. How can solve here? Now a the power of minus m over n which is equals to 1 over a the power of positive m over n. Just like negative 27 the power of minus 2 over 3 which is equals to 1 over minus 27 the power of positive 2 over 3. Here negative also 1 over 2 over negative 27 the power of 2 over 3. Now negative 27 which means negative 3 the power of 3. So 1 over negative 3 the power of 3 the power of 2 over 3. 2 over 3 cancel out by here. So which is equals to 1 over negative 3 square. Negative 3 square which means 9. So the values of here which is equals to 1 over positive 9. የዚህ ዋጋ 1 over positive 9 ማለት ነው. We will see about question B also F, C. Please like and subscribe my channel. ቻናሌን እስካሁን እንግዲህ በሁለት ወር 134 ሰው ደርሷል። እናንተም ተጨመሩበት ላይክ ያደረጋችሁ ለብዙ ሰዎች እንዲደርስ እንቀጥላለን በዚህኛው። እናንተ ደግሞ እነኝ ሁለቱን ሞክሩልኝ ቢ እና ኤፍ ማለት ነው። ቢ እና ኤፍ ይሄን በቀጣይ ቪዲዮ ሰራላችኋለሁ። Thank you very much.